The power of an open mindset in business and life opportunity rarely waits. Sometimes it shows up boldly, other times it whispers. And in business, how you respond can change everything. Saying yes is not just a decision. It is a mindset, a willingness to grow, to explore, to move forward even when the outcome is unknown. Because behind every breakthrough is a moment someone chose to say yes. Think about it. That course you hesitated to enroll in. That collaboration you nearly passed up. That idea you told yourself wasn't ready. What if that was the opportunity that could have changed everything? When you adopt a yes mindset, you open the door to learning new skills that prepare you for what is next, building confidence by stepping through fear, not avoiding it, innovating with fresh ideas that spark new growth, and most of all, staying resilient no matter what comes your way. Saying yes does not mean saying yes to everything. It means saying yes to what aligns with your values, your purpose, your vision. At The Answer is Yes, we believe opportunity starts with one decision: to show up for your future. That is why we created the Entrepreneur's Ecosystem, a powerful platform where business owners say yes to growth every single day. Step-by-step frameworks to help you grow smarter, not harder. A community of business owners who are done waiting and ready to take action. Ongoing updates, practical tools, and expert guidance to support your journey. So ask yourself, where could one yes take you? Could it be the next client? The next big idea? The next chapter of your success story? Say yes to learning. Say yes to progress. Say yes to a business and life you are proud of. Join the Entrepreneur's Ecosystem today, because with every yes, a new path starts.